Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by fixing posture and finding the home row so every finger has a consistent anchor. Place left fingers on a SDF and right fingers on JKL. That gives each finger its default zone. Once done, lower your wrists slightly and breathe. Make sure shoulders stay relaxed. Begin with slow, deliberate presses. Hit each key with its assigned finger, then return to home. This builds muscle memory and prevents relying on just 2 fingers. You now expand from the home row into full finger assignments so every digit contributes. Use index fingers for center columns and reach outward with middle and ring fingers. Pinkies take modifiers like Shift, Enter, Tab, Backspace, and Control keys. Once comfortable, do targeted drills, repeat commonly used letter pairs and short words at half speed, then increase tempo. Keep accuracy before speed. This trains the neural pathway, so you finish by converting accuracy into fluent typing. Set incremental WPM goals and practice daily with mixed passages, track error patterns, and focus on troublesome keys with short, intense drills. Once done, incorporate timed typing tests and real-world typing tasks to generalize skill. Make sure to rest and stretch if you feel tension, reduce session length or slow pace to avoid bad habits. If persistent errors remain, return to slow targeted drills and retrain finger assignments.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.